In a world where cryptocurrency can create instant wealth, many fear the crashing market tides. However, I've discovered a powerful secret that turns those downturns into golden opportunities. When I first entered crypto, market crashes felt like a devastating blow to my finances. But over time, I learned that these crashes were not losses, they were hidden chances. The crucial shift? Viewing crashes as sales rather than setbacks. This mindset is absolutely transformative. My go-to strategy during a market dip is simple yet effective: buying the dip. When prices plummet, instead of panicking, I prepare to seize the moment and invest. For example, during the last crash, I acquired Ethereum at a once-in-a-lifetime price. This savvy purchasing decision rewarded me handsomely when the market saw a rebound. But there's more. Staking my coins allows me to earn while waiting for the market to recover.